Well, this is stupid. But maybe it works. This mini drone shoots HD video. I said it was stupid. At least I hope I got the video. And the drone? Wow, it looks as new, not even a scratch. Amazing. And the drone is truly amazing. It is so light it does not even break. So this model weighs only 142 grams. Even with a 3S battery, still under 250 grams. Which means, legally, this is not even a drone. It's just a toy by the law. Even by physics laws, it's too small to be broken. I have crashed it so many times and still haven't replaced or broken a single part. I crash, I flip it back, or even better just rearm, and continue flying as nothing has happened. Basically, this is a dream come true. A drone that shoots HD video, and it's so tiny it's indestructible. What you could ask more? Well, except I have ordered a standard version from Banggood and found there is an HD camera version, like an hour later. So the standard model comes in this nice box, very easy to set up. Just add props, battery and a receiver. Here is a receiver plug for a FrSky XSR receiver. Except the product page on Banggood does not say what type of connector this drone uses. So I have eyeballed the connector and ordered the smallest FrSky receiver, which was the wrong choice. The plug it has is way too small, and the worst part, it loses connection after 100 meters with my iRange X radio, so this is the main reason I have crashed this tiny drone so many times. And long story short, I need to order a new receiver to be able to fly a drone for more than 100 meters. I can order the HD FPV camera upgrade too. And if you are looking to buy the same drone, all product links are in the video description below. This Diatone R349 model is pretty amazing, just incredibly light, which makes an insane power to weight ratio. But my favorite part is that this drone did not break even after so many crashes. So I got the standard version here, and this one has HD FPV camera capable of recording a full HD video to a micro SD card on board. Here is the same HD camera upgrade sold separately, and I'm using this lollipop antenna too, which is again plug and play upgrade for this drone, makes FPV quality much better. I have a matching antenna on the receiver, and I'm using this FPV OTG video adapter, which is super awesome, and I have done a separate video on it. Link should pop up somewhere here. There is a new compact gamepad size FrSky radio. I'm looking to get that too. Finally, there is a tiny radio to match these tiny drones. So if you would like to see a second part of this video, after upgrading the drone, you hit that like button. Let's get 100 likes and I will upload a part 2. Finally, Banggood is running a promo for a Xiaomi camera drone for just 200 euros. Leave a comment below if you would like to see this Xiaomi drone review on my channel too. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.